Hi guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to connect the Redmi Watch 6 to iPhone. And if you're just getting the smartwatch for the first time, you have to make sure you turn it on. So you can just long press on the power button to turn on the smartwatch. Wait until you see the Redmi logo. And while it is turning on, you want to go over to your iPhone. By the way, this is going to work out for literally any iPhone you have. Then you want to locate the App Store of your iPhone. So open up the App Store and then proceed to search for the Mi Fitness application. And you can literally find the app over here. Go ahead and select it, then download and install this app into your iPhone. And once the app is installed, before you open it up, swipe down through the control center on your iPhone and then make sure that Bluetooth is actually turned on, and you also have your mobile data turned on or your Wi-Fi turned on as well. Now you can go ahead and open up the Mi Fitness application, then proceed to set up the application. So tap on start from over here and then agree to the terms and conditions at the bottom over here. Then click on agree. You also want to select your region. In my case, I'll go ahead and select by searching for the name of my country. Then tap on the next button at the bottom over here, and now you're good to go. You want to select on the devices tab at the bottom, and you'll be required to create a Xiaomi account. But before you do this, you also want to come over to your Redmi Watch 6 now. Go ahead and select your preferred language. I will go with English, and then I will also be required to scan this QR code, which will redirect me to download the Mi Fitness application. But we already have the application at this particular point. So once you are at this page, you can come back to the Mi Fitness app and then proceed to create an account if you do not have an account by tapping on the creating an account option over here. If you already have an account, you can as well sign in. In my case, I'll just agree to the terms and conditions over here, then proceed to sign in with my account name and password. And just like so, I have now been able to sign into my account. If you're creating an account, all you just have to do is to enter your email, your preferred password. The code will be sent to your email and you're good to go. You can sign in. You can also go ahead and fill up all of these informations with the correct details. Once you're done, tap on done over here, and now you're good to go. Okay, and at this point you want to go ahead and connect it with your Redmi Watch 6. So tap on add devices from over here, click on allow, just give the app any permission it requires, click on allow again, and now you can see my Redmi Watch 6. All you just have to do now is to tap on it, then give it a couple of seconds to pair. Now you can see my iPhone 13. You want to click on the check button from over here, click on pair, and automatically click on allow as well. Both devices will now be connected. Now before you go over to your Redmi Watch 6, you want to complete the setup process on your iPhone as well. So click on allow while using this app, then click on resume from over here. Now you can go ahead and choose your preferred layout for the app screen. I will go ahead and select on icons and text, then click on resume from over here. Make sure that incoming call notification is actually checked, then click on resume, click on continue. You want it to access your phone's contacts, so go ahead and click on share all contacts, then click on resume from over here, click on allow full access, just give it every permission it requires, click on resume from over here. And if you see that device update is required, just click on details from over here, click on update, give it a couple of seconds to update your Redmi Watch 6. And now the update is coming to my Redmi Watch 6. Okay, so the updating might actually take a couple of minutes, but it is very important that you do it so that your Redmi Watch 6 is going to come with all of the necessary updates and security features that you need. So the update has been completed, as you can see from over here. And on my iPhone now, I can just click on the got it button and you can see it is currently paired with my Redmi Watch 6 as well. Now at this point, you can go over to your Redmi Watch 6 smartwatch and then you just want to proceed with the whole setup. You can either skip the first time tutorial page, so this is actually a first time tutorial for new users, or you can just go through all of the first time tutorial on how to use the smartwatch. So you can click on start and it's just going to show you how to rearrange the apps on the smartwatch, and you can actually just go through everything. And as soon as you're done, you want to tap on the check button over here and you're good to go. So basically that is how to set up and connect the Redmi Watch 6 with your iPhone. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.